Hello everyone, this is Kayla. Today I would like to introduce our company. In my back, this office building catch our side. So follow me, let's see what is it inside. There have some certifications, not only domestic certifications, but also foreign certifications. Besides that, here also have some awards. This is our showroom. You can see a lot of products here. This is the oxygen sensor. This is a UTG sensor. This is a fuel injection. This is our chips. Our company has 17 years history. We have independently developed these chips over the years. Going forward is our canteen, where we have the 3 meals here every day. Now, let's go to the second floor to see. This is our office, very working place. This is a foreign trade manager's office. This is a meeting room. This is the general manager's office. This is the financial department. This is the comprehensive department. Now, let's go downstairs and the working floor here to see the factory. The first floor has some large-scale equipment. The second floor is the assembly lines. This is our office. The second floor is our warehouse, which is very big. Here are all our spare parts and office supplies. If you want to know more information, follow my account. Thank you. Bye-bye.